Hi, it's Tuesday, May 17th, 2016. So it looks like George Soros is joining the Druckenmiller bandwagon. It's not surprising because they both worked together, and Druckenmiller was a chief strategy for the Quantum Fund back in the 90s. The story on Bloomberg is that billionaire Soros cuts U.S. stocks by 37% and buys gold miner. So money managers who manage more than 100 million, they have to report 13F files with the SEC 45 days, up to 45 days after the end of the quarter. So we know what Soros has in his fund right now. So it says here, billionaire George Soros cut his firm's investment in U.S. stocks by more than a third in the first quarter and bought a $264 million stake in the world's biggest bullion producer, Barrick Gold Corp, or biggest gold miner. It's a very big company, Barrick. And it also says the value of Soros Fund Management's publicly disclosed holdings dropped by 37% to 3.5 billion. So he bought 1.7% of Barrick, so that's quite a big investment. And he also bought call options on the SPDR Gold Trust, which is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the price of gold. So that's not real gold. And he bought call options on 1.05 million shares, or 1,050,000 shares. So that's quite a big bet there. And yesterday, Monday the 16th, gold did very well in the morning here in London, and up to when the US market opened. I think it got up to 1286. I'm not sure exactly the high. I was out yesterday, but then it came right back down, and then the stock market rallied. So I don't know, it just feels funny, you know, gold and silver do really well early in the day in London leading up to the US, and the stock market a lot of times not doing anything, and all of a sudden things just change. It's just weird. I just think people have to be patient. I noticed the mining shares, though, even though they closed off the highs of the day, they still were up. The HUY index was up. So it's a good day overall. So interesting to see, you know, you got Icon, Druckenmiller, and Soros divesting of stocks, you know, general equities. You know, Icon is short 150%. Soros has cut more than a third off from general equities, and Druckenmiller and Soros buying big gold positions. I don't think Icon has any gold. This morning, the Dow is up another 50 points. You know, it's someone out there doesn't want the stock market to drop, or, you know, don't see anything getting better. The other thing Soros says is that there's a big danger of a meltdown, financial meltdown, like the one in 07-08. And he says the main reason he believes that is because he thinks China is in a debt-fueled bubble, just as bad as, you know, the US was back then, and the Western world, I guess the subprime bubble, and you know, that came through after Greenspan cut rates to 1% in 02-03, that area of time. So he thinks that now a financial calamity could happen because of all the debt that China has taken. So that's his reason for, you know, being cautious on stocks and owning gold. That's it for now. I'll talk to you later. And if you do like this channel and it's the first time you've watched me, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and share it with friends, families, colleagues. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.